Hi everyone, I'm Angie Kellen and we're really excited to be at CES 2023. I'm here with VESA, which is the Video Electronic Standards Association, and joining me is Roland Wooster. Hello Roland.
Hi.
So Roland, what do we have here? This looks like a gamer's heaven. I only wish that our viewers could see it as you're sitting in front of it right now. It's really immersive.
So the reason you won't be able to see how great these look on the video is because these are OLED displays, and it's going to be very difficult to capture a video of an OLED display and display it on anything that's going to represent what this really looks like. So these are two of the very best products in heading to market and in market today. This is a very high performance LG OLED display, and this is an MSI laptop. Let me talk about the standards that VESA has established that these companies have adopted to demonstrate and very clearly articulate to consumers how fantastic these displays are. We launched two new standards in 2022 for front of screen display performance. One was the Adaptive-Sync display standard. And this is related to displays that can vary their frame rate. Now that's very useful for when you want to play a movie and you want to play the movie at a specific frame rate. Hollywood operates at 24, televisions at 30 or 60, consumer content at 60. And of course games, they have an adaptive frame rate based on the GPU's performance and the content. And so the frame rate is always varying. And the VESA Adaptive-Sync protocol is designed to accommodate this. And so we built the Adaptive-Sync display logo for displays that are certified to meet a certain jitter and flicker set of requirements in our standards throughout their video frame rate across any GPU that supports VESA standards, and all meet that consistent performance that VESA has certified. And that's the Adaptive-Sync display logo program that we have built in VESA. So very pleased to show that this monitor is operating at the Adaptive-Sync 240, so 240 Hertz. This laptop also has the Adaptive-Sync 240 standard as well. In addition to the Adaptive-Sync standard that we launched the ClearMR, the Clear Motion Ratio standard. And both of these displays have also been certified for the ClearMR standard. Let me start with the laptop. This is the highest certified laptop using the ClearMR 9000 level. And that's the highest level we have for a certification for laptops today. And the ClearMR of 9000, what that means is the 9000 is a percentage of clear pixels to blurry pixels. So it means for every 90 clear pixels, there is only at most one blurry pixel. And so if you have motion like these games, you see a lot of lateral movement left and right. And so every time those trees are moving on a blurry monitor, those trees will smear across the screen. Whereas a display that's been certified with ClearMR, you know that you've only got one blurry pixel for every 90 on a device such as this laptop that is certified for the ClearMR 9000. What's incredibly special about this display, however, is this has our newest 13,000 ClearMR standard. This is the highest performing display that we've certified. We only launched the 13,000 tier this week for CES, and this monitor is a showcase example of our highest performing ClearMR sample.
Well, CES is over, and we all learned how exciting standards can be. So thanks to VESA, we look forward to all the innovations coming out this year and what they're going to bring to CES next year. See you next time.